Hey guys, a very quick recording. One common question if you're running a YouTube channel you'll have is how many people are sharing your video? So that's a normal acquisition method. You'll be assuming that your video is getting shared on WhatsApp and on other platforms other than getting discovered on YouTube itself. So how do you check how many people are sharing your video? Very simple. I go to my YouTube studio, go to advanced mode under the analytics tab. Here, click on more and then scroll down to sharing service. And here it's pretty cool. So you can see this is one of my channels. Last 28 days, my videos have been shared 1,500 times, out of which 74% has come from WhatsApp, which makes sense because this particular channel is focused on Indian audience and WhatsApp is very, very common here. But you can see other people who have copied to clipboard, maybe gone and pasted somewhere else. Some people have sent on WhatsApp Business. Some people have sent on Gmail. All the data is available here. And the way this particular data is tracked is also pretty simple. I just open YouTube. Let's open any video. So let's take, say, this one. And then when I click on share, this even on web or on mobile, when I click on share, it actually gives me these options. And YouTube is tracking which one is getting clicked and which one is being used. And this click data is what you're seeing under your sharing service in advanced analytics. Thank you so much. Hope this helped.